Hey guys, I have a short video for you today with just a quick announcement about the crowdfunding situation. The anticipation is intense. Last time we talked about this, the plan was to do some sort of crowdfunding campaign, Kickstarter, something like that, to raise capital to convert my outbuilding to a butcher shop. You guys got a little weird acting when I mentioned the butcher shop. What's up with that? So we talked about having grass-fed homestead merchandise like t-shirts, hats, that kind of stuff, as well as producing some videos for you guys about Butchery. I got all of that finalized, and I decided instead of doing a Kickstarter, I decided to cut out the middleman and just move everything over to the Grass-Fed Homestead website. The advantage to doing it this way, of course, is it keeps it a lot more simple, and I'm not having to pay all the fees to Kickstarter. The disadvantage is I don't get all the extra excitement that's generated around a Kickstarter. With that said, I am pleased to announce that the cart is officially open on grassfedhomestead.com. When you go there, you'll find a t-shirt, a hoodie, hat, beanie, and then my digital products, which includes the Grass-Fed Homestead cookbook. And the star of the show, the main item that I'm really excited about producing, is Cottage Cuts, which is going to be a film about butchery of lamb and pork, and then how to cook the different cuts, which tells us why we want to make the different cuts the way we do. So if you're interested in learning about butchery or stepping up your homestead cooking skills, this video is going to be for you. Here are a couple things I need to note. One, with the Cottage Cuts film, it's going to be two different videos. One's going to be for lamb, one's going to be for pork. So you can get just one of those videos or both. Of course, the pork one there is going to include a little bit about curing as well. As far as the merchandise goes, the items have a 24 count minimum before I can place the bulk order to the printing company. In the event, say you purchase the beanie and only 15 other people order the beanie and we don't have enough orders to make the bulk order, I'll definitely refund your money. So this is risk-free. You're either gonna get your beanie or you get your money back. But that's true for all the merchandise. All of it has a 24 count minimum. So help me out and help everyone else out who wants to get one of those items by making your order. And lastly, the cart's only going to be open for 1 week starting today. I'm filming and publishing this video on Friday, September 4th. So the cart's only going to be open until Friday, September 11th. Once we pass Friday and the cart's closed, we either hit our goals or we don't. And then I'll be able to determine what merchandise can be fulfilled. We can put in that bulk order, and then also find out if we raised enough to build the butcher shop so we can take the Grass-Fed Homestead to the next level and produce a ton of really cool butchery, cookery, and harvest videos. So again, head on over to grassfedhomestead.com, click shop in the menu, and it'll take you right to the store where you can get these items and bundles of the different items. If you've been watching my videos for a while and have gotten value out of the videos, you either learned something or were entertained, inspired. If you've gotten something out of my videos, I'm just asking if you please consider heading over to the shop and supporting the cause. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Thanks.